Hello guys, be here with Whimsy stamps. Today we're making a Slimline shaker card. We're going to be using this Midnight Magic Confetti shaker mix. That is amazing. We're also going to be using the Wild Wheats die set. This super awesome stamp set Grumpin Punkins, and this Slimline die, which is a Slimline wobbly windows die. We're also going to be using Villainous Potion, ripe persimmon, and mustard seed for our background. Let's go ahead and make a card. So here I have my white cardstock where we're going to be making our background using mustard seed, ripe persimmon, and Villainous Potion. So what I'm gonna do is go from Villainous Potion, then ripe persimmon, then mustard seed at the top, making sure that I am blending really well in between colors. I am going to speed through this part and I'll see you when it's done. Once done, I wanted to add a little bit more of something, and here I have this Stress Oxide black soot mixed with some water, and I am doing some speckling all over my cardstock. And here's how the background looks once it's dried. And now I'm gonna go ahead and position my wobbly windows die where I want it. I am going to run this through my machine and come back to show you. And here's how it looks like. I have my three little backings and I have my card base which I have chosen a black cardstock. And now we're gonna go ahead and, as I always do, I am going to position my piece here and then glue the insides of each window. To add my acetate, I am using double-sided tape. I added my acetate and cut around it, and now I am using a foam tape from the Whimsy shop. They come pre-cut and they are absolutely fantastic. They save you so much time. And after this, I'm just adding my sequin mix in the middle of each one and removing that backing paper from my foam tape, and adding it. And here how it looks like. Now I set my card aside and now I'm gonna go ahead and stamp my images. I am using Tuxedo Black Memento ink for this, and I am stamping on Hammer Mill 80-pound cardstock. Now that my images are ready to color, I am going to be using COPIC markers. For the stem, I'm going to be using YG99, YG97, YG95, and for the rest, E09, E07, YR07, 04, Y38, and Y15. And here's how my images look like. Now it's time to put everything together on our card. And this is how my card turned out. I absolutely love it. I added some enamel dots from my stash to finish it off. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, make sure to join our Facebook group to be inspired by all the projects posted there. I will see you next time.